All right, time to use this thing to throw some stuff away. Let's see, will it fit in here this way? Maybe it'll fit this way. Nope, not quite. Let's try and turn it sideways because this part's sticking out too much. Okay. Fits, right? Yep. Almost perfect fit. Yeah, we have to be careful. There's some screws on there. Now let's get some more stuff to throw in here. Alright, we got another thing of this. Some big sheet thing. Okay. Oops. Okay. That in there. Ooh. Alright. It's working. Alright, now we gotta get some bigger items in here. Alright, we got some old dead couch pad things. What? Life's disgusting. It's leaking. Some plant life. Okay. It's gross. Ugh, disgusting. It's gonna need to be sprayed down and cleaned soon. All right, let's get this couch. Got this couch. I'm gonna put it sideways. Put it in there. Okay. Standing up.
No, one that way.
Oh, okay, is it on all the things? Yep. Okay. So we'll do that, and then we'll probably just put the TV thing in there. We'll just slide this in for now. We'll do the other one later. No, just slide the whole thing. The whole moving blanket and everything. Uh-oh, it's hitting. We have to rotate it some. Go. And this can close. So, let's see.
Don't litter. Bring it all to the man cave.
I don't know how I'll get this one in there. TV. Is that as far as it goes in? No, it has a lot of room. So, slide this. Which way should I make it big step? Okay. Good to go. All right, we're gonna have to load more stuff now next trip. All right, and here you can see there's still a bit of room there. I could push it in, but yeah. With the stuff in the truck bed, driving around 50, 55 miles per hour, around there. You can see we're getting still around 400, less than 400 watt hours per mile. So not bad. That's with the bed open and all the stuff in there. Okay, so driving around average 50 miles an hour or so. You can see getting close to 390 watt hours per mile. As we're slowing down, obviously it's getting better. But yeah, not bad. All right, round 2. Let's go grab a giant door. All right, let's see if I can get that door up there. It was a pain moving it there. That door, super heavy. It's been repaired. Please use the entrance to the right. If this hinge doesn't break off, oh, that's not gonna work. Not gonna work. Okay. Just go over here. And then tilt it up on its corner, assuming it doesn't fall to pieces. Alright. Shift this over more. Whoa. I need it to walk further over to here. Alright. Centered enough? Now I just gotta make sure it doesn't hit the house. Okay. Slowly walk it back. Get some more leverage. Now, lift this. Okay, it's gonna hit the garage, so I gotta slide it. There we go. Okay. Perfect. Now I need to get the couch in there. And we're good. Is this gonna even fit? I don't think so. I'm gonna have to use some straps to hold this one down. It's been repaired. Please use the entrance to the right. Is this the door? Now we need the couch here.
Yeah, that's his old door from the side of the house.
Yeah, I remember.
So now we gotta get the couch. That was a pain. Alright, let's get this heavy couch.
Let's go lift this fucking hurry
It's been repaired. Please.
I'll go up your brother. That's right.
Hold up, my fingers like.
Yeah. Get your thing, and I'm gonna push it in, okay?
Wait.
Wait.
Wait, I'm gonna have to go on the door thing. Hold up. Wait, let me get my fingers back in there.
Oh, you wanna just?
Yeah.
Okay, now jump off. Now I'm gonna push it back.
A little more.
No.
It has to go until the edge of the door.
Okay.
What's it getting caught on? Make sure it's not getting caught on the. Alright.
Okay.
That's good, I got the post. But don't push it. Because if I can't push it in, I'm not going to be able to get it down, so I need to make sure I can do it. I'm going to need another pad under this. Okay, well, we got it up. Huh? Yeah.
On the couch.
Yep.
It's been repaired. Please use the entrance to.
Grace is curious. She jumped up and she's looking like, what's going on in here? So the way I'm strapping it is I'm using that tie down point and to that one, and it's basically just gonna squeeze everything down. Originally I tied this one around and then used that, but I don't think I actually need those, so yeah. Grace, come here. She's crawling up on the whole thing. She's gonna end up climbing all over the top of the truck after I wash it. It's gonna have paw prints all over. Huh. So I'm driving with the tailgate down, the tonneau cover open, with stuff loaded in the back, and we're getting about almost less than 350 watt-hours per mile, so I'm surprised. Carrying that stuff and having that open doesn't really affect the watt-hours per mile much, or maybe it's because I took inside roads, so I went a little bit slower. But yeah, it doesn't affect it a great amount if you have everything open.